Julie, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in Toronto after a very long time. I don't even remember when was I here last time. Yeah, actually I reached a day before yesterday, but रात को बहुत लेट पहुंची थी तो मैं कल फिर सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट करने बाहर गया था. Then I did some shopping. Then yeah, तो ऐसे करते करते vlog तो I just couldn't do it. I was too tired and too lazy also, to be honest. So I thought I'll just do it today and wind up everything, and I'll show you what I got yesterday. Nothing much, just two stuffs, and I'm still left with few shopping to do. So I'll do that. I'll finish it today, and I'll show you guys whatever I'll get at the end of the vlog. And yes, after this flight, I'm going to Leh. I'll keep everything in this vlog, so stay tuned. I'm going for Apricot Blossom Festival. Yes. So 16th ko it's the last date, and it is in Domkar. So when I was in Leh during the season was when I was in fourth standard. So yeah, tab se I have not been there. So I am really very excited, and I'm really excited for Apricot Blossom Festival. That is the only reason I'm going. And people plan for Japan for Cherry Blossom Festival, but you should come to Ladakh for Apricot Blossom Festival first. Yes, if you couldn't make it this year, make it, plan it for next year, and you should come. Anyway, abhi ke liye, let's go out for shopping. It's a bright sunny day today, so see you all outside.
Keeping it simple, hope the good folks get the info. We all got a right to the light in this fight for your life, gotta know what you in for. Some people upload what they're into, while others come close to their closure and post what they've been through. Let's suppose everything's on the menu, and doing me isn't supposed to offend you. Yeah, that's what we are, make 'em feel smart when I spit something dumb, and do it all again when we get to the one. We about to do the impossible, huh? Yeah, I nominate my hip-hop to the... The marvelous starting artist. I never want to just time to take out the garbage. I do the honors. Side and ski to the side and think. Look to the side. I make them all myself.
Oh, you did? It's amazing.
My 1 year anniversary coming up May 1st.
Sorry?
My first year anniversary of doing this.
Oh
May
yeah?
1st.
Happy anniversary and congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
We take thousands of points. See the full picture of your spending with a CIBC Smart Account.
this is all the shopping that I did today, and this one and this one, these two, I got them yesterday. So this is it. It is 9:59 and it is time for me to go for flight. 10-15 minute reporting time hai. So I'm flying back to India. Then I'll see you in India. Bye bye.